In recent weeks, analysts have been scrambling to hike their ridiculously low estimates after completely missing the mark on Q4 deliveries. Investors are looking for the company to beat again and provide a strong forecast for this year that will help the stock rally to new highs. Today, I'll look at the three major earnings questions that need to be answered. The Street's average Q4 delivery estimate, as sent out by Tesla IR in the link above, was more than 40,000 units below what actually happened. Thus, we've seen the average revenue estimate jump by more than $1.55 billion to $16.65 billion cents. However, the current figure is still being dragged down by a low of $14 billion, which implies almost no sequential growth despite the massive jump in deliveries from Q3. Take that estimate out, and the Street average rises by another roughly $120 million. I will point out that Tesla has beaten revenue estimates in 8 straight quarters, and non-GAAP EPS estimates in 8 of the past 9 quarters. Thus, the biggest financial question I have for earnings is margins. Tesla's gross margins have expanded nicely in recent quarters and significantly beat Street estimates. Management did mention some headwinds on the Q3 conference call, as we've certainly seen some ugly inflation numbers recently. So was Tesla able to increase margins much further in Q4? I would think so, although not as much as the 2 percentage point jump we saw from Q2 to Q3. My base case assumes 50 basis points of improvement for automotive GAAP margins. In the graphic below, I've provided my usual 3 earnings cases for the quarter to be reported against K's actual results. My base case represents what a reasonable beat could look like, given the Street's lowballing of Tesla numbers in recent periods. Analysts may not have fully priced in the price raises we saw throughout 2021, plus the margins that the Shanghai factory appears to be delivering. I also see Tesla delivering more operating expense improvement as a percentage of revenue from Q3 levels. The current Street average estimate calls for $2.36 on the adjusted bottom line,